Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So how are you all? Are you enjoying Aveti Learning? Very good. Okay, tell me, is my voice audible to you all? Then please write down yes in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much. So let me tell you how can you join in our live class. So it's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. So these are the rules of our live class. So you just have to answer the questions only which is asked. Okay. And secondly, don't chat with each other. If you start chatting with each other, then you will feel problem while watching the video. And it's a special request to all of you that you should have to make the important points. You should have to make your notes only after watching the video. Okay. So it's a permanent video you can find anytime from YouTube. So don't miss the chance. As all of you have known that Aveti Learning is India's number one YouTube channel in which you can find a teacher who never asks for fee. Okay, so you just have to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and yes, don't forget to comment us. Aveti Learning provides you spoken English class and Aveti coding class, which is absolutely free for all of you. Okay, so within a limited period of time you can develop your English speaking power. So what should you do to join in our spoken English class and coding class? You just have to register your name in the given link. If you want to register your name for coding class, the link is https://bit.ly/aveti coding class. And if you want to register your name in spoken English class, then you should have to register your name in the given link, and the link is https://bit.ly/aveti spoken English. So here is the class schedule of Aveti Learning YouTube Live. So there is a minor change. You can see that the coding class is shifted to Saturday 7:30 p.m. and the spoken English class and guest lecture series is as usual in their same time. So now I am sharing with you a screen in which you can see that so many students have already joined in the spoken English class. This is a glance of our previous spoken English class. So if you want to have your face in this screen, then don't miss the chance. Do register fast. Okay. So you can join in our WhatsApp group now, in which you can find daily session updates. Interact with me means you can contact with our Aveti master teachers, and our master teachers are here to solve your problem immediately. And you can find assignments and exam updates, then regular discussion and daily questions. So you can check your YouTube video description through the WhatsApp link. So we are continuing with the chapter prepositions. So prepositions can be grouped according to their functions. So they can be of prepositions of time. So in our previous class we have discussed about some of the prepositions of time, and now let's move on to discuss some more prepositions of time. During. It is used with an action that took place or is to take place. For example, the fire broke out during the night. Okay. Similarly, some phrases indicating time, that is on time or in time. So the first one is on time. It is used with an action or event taking place at the exact or correct time and as per schedule or timetable. For example, the train arrived at the station on time. Okay, अर्थात ठीक समय रे कार्यटी संपादन हेबाकू आमे जेतोले प्रकाश करिथाउ तेबे सेही समय रे ऑन टाइम रो व्यवहार करा जाए. अर्थात ट्रेन ठीक समय रे स्टेशन रे आसी पहुंचिला. ऑन टाइम माने एग्जैक्ट टाइम, ना टिके पूर्वरु ना टिके परे. ठीक अछि, मनेकर 3:10 माने 3:10 रे ही आसी की पहुंचिबो. ठीक अछि, अर्थात निर्धारित समय रे कोनोसी कार्यक्रम घटिबाकू जेतबेले आमे दर्शाई थाउ सेही समय रे आमे ऑन टाइम रो व्यवहार करि थाउ. Similarly, another example is the teacher came to the class on time. Okay, that means the teacher came to the class in exact time. Okay, अर्थात टीचर ठीक समय रे क्लास को आसिले, ना टिके पूर्वरु आसिले ना टिके परे आसिले. जो समयटी तांको पई निर्धारित होइथिला से सही समय रे आसिले. तो एहा को दर्शाइबा पई आमे ऑन टाइम रो व्यवहार करिबा. Likewise, in time means earlier than. Okay, in time रो अर्थ होउची before time. अर्थात जो निर्धारित समय दिया जाइची तार पूर्वरु आसीबाकू आमे in time रो व्यवहार करिथाउ. For example, he reached the airport in time to see his friend off. ठीक अछि, सी ता सांगो को देखिबा पाई एयरपोर्ट रे निर्धारित समय टिके पूर्वरु पहुंचिला. तो कोनोसी बस स्टॉप किबा रेलवे स्टेशन किबा कोनोसी मीटिंग किबा कोनोसी उडे कार्यक्रम आरंभ होबा को जाउची तो सेही स्थान रे आमे एतले पहुंची थाउ. आमे एग्जैक्ट टाइम रे न पहुंची आमे बिफोर टाइम पहुंची थाउ बा अर्लियर टाइम रे आमे पहुंची थाउ. ठीक अछि, तो सेही क्षेत्र रे सेही सेंटेंस को दर्शाइबा पई आमे इन टाइम रो व्यवहार करिबा. Another prepositions of time is till or until. जार अर्थ होची पर्यंत. So the example is the book fair continued till or until Friday. अर्थात शुक्रवार पर्यंत एही पुस्तक मेलाटी चलिबो. Between अर्थात मध्य रे. तो यहाँ को आमे प्रिपोजिशंस ऑफ प्लेस रे मध्य व्यवहार करथाउ एवं यहाँ प्रिपोजिशंस ऑफ टाइम हिसाब रे मध्य व्यवहृत होई थाए. फॉर एग्जांपल, you can see the doctor between 8 a.m. and 12 noon. So, if you want to consult with the doctor, then the visiting time is between 8 a.m. and 12 noon. Okay, तो दिन 8 रु दिन 12टा मध्य रे बा मध्याह्न 12टा मध्य रे आमे डॉक्टर को साक्षात करि परिबा. Then from ... to. For example, the road will be closed from Friday evening to Monday morning. तो एई क्षेत्र रे आमे from ... to रा व्यवहार करिबा. तो एही रास्ताटी शुक्रवार संध्यारू सोमवार सकाळ पर्यंत बंद रहिबो ठीक अछि वर्तमान आमर जो लॉकडाउन शटडाउन एमती चलथिला जेमती कि शनिवार रविवार बंद रहे तो आमे एई क्षेत्र रे जेतेबेले आमे इंग्लिश रे कथोपकथन करिबा तो सेतेबेले आमे from ... to prepositions रे व्यवहार करि परिबा so students today is this much and your prepositions of time is over now here is some homework for you so you should have to fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition the question is he arrived dash time to attend the meeting and the options are A in B at C for D of okay so you should have to write the correct answer and send it to our WhatsApp group of class 10 so you can contact us in this number await the official WhatsApp number that is 7894040614. If you are having any kind of queries, any kind of questions, any kind of doubts in your mind related to your subject, related to your specific topics, then you can contact us through this number. Okay. So let me tell you that we are providing you free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today is this much. I hope all of you have an idea about the use of prepositions of time in their specific space. Okay, so keep learning, don't go anywhere. Make the best use of your leisure time, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.